Okay, it's Rua do Rebanho. We're gonna walk straight down this street. Got a little bit of a market area, so this is gonna be a good filming. People really seem to like the markets a lot, so we'll capture all that. And before we do, we just kind of capture the cross street of where we are. So we just came off Rua de Rosa. Let's see, we also got this little block right here too. 8 to 12. So that's the street that we're just on, coming all the way down this way, and we're about to go down. Okay. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. That's our cross street right there. And we're on this one right now. So if you want to look it up on Google Maps, you can, and you can kind of get an idea of where we are. Yeah, this is perfect. This is for the temples, monasteries, or temples. Got fruits. So this is across. This is closed until 9 o'clock. Let's go check it all out. Yeah, we're right in the busy marketplace now. So I think this will go all the way down to a market area, and then over across the street is the red market, which is good because I kind of wanted to film that anyways. Now I get a chance. Perfect. Pizza. Oh, you get all this pizza here. Doesn't really look very good though. 55. It looks like microwave pizza or something. Lots of vegetables. More vegetables. Deepak. Deepak is it's like a name of an Indian soccer player, I think. Yeah, let's keep on going down to the market. Black shoes, black boots. Okay, yeah, this comes right into a popular place, and we're just gonna go across. Because this street keeps on going down. Busy today, really busy. That's more stuff for the temples right there. Chicken. That's nice, okay. So we're gonna keep on going down because this is also part of the street too. Oh, it's crowded, wow. Nice lighting too. The red market is directly across the street. Go all the way down. I don't know if I should film the red market or not. There's a lot of other stuff to film around here. Okay, so this would be the end of the street, and the red market is across the street. I tried to film it the other day. I usually don't like to go in that building. But that's the street that we're just on. And over there is the red market. So you see a bunch of raw meat everywhere. Raw fish, raw chickens. That's the red market over there. Could wait over there and film real quick though, but yeah, I will. Okay, so that was our street down that little alley, right around the corner down that way. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.